Welcome to RickRackRuby. I'm Laura Cluvo. Today we will learn to make this fun and easy wreath ornament design. Using one Snow Day by Moda jelly roll, it's possible to make 14 large angels, 14 smaller ruffled angel ornaments, and 14 wreath ornaments. So let's get started because you can make this. To make the wreath ornament, we'll start by cutting the strip in half. You can make 2 wreaths from one strip. And we're also going to cut off the selvages. Fold the strip in half, wrong sides together, and pin along the open pinked edge. Pin about 3 inches apart. Stitch the length of the strip 5/8 of an inch in from the open or the pinked edge. I backstitch at the start and the end. This is a shower curtain ring, 12 for $1 at the dollar store. Just thread the ring through the channel that you made in your strip. Half a strip is the perfect length. The wreath is nice and full and ruffly, but not so full that it's impossible to feed the whole thing onto the ring. Just keep working it on. It only takes a minute. And then click the ring together. Kind of push some gathers right over that. Then set it down with the joined area right there at about 4 o'clock. And then, just to make things easy, let's add the hanging loop at 12 o'clock. We will decorate over that where the join occurs right there. And so this just helps us keep our perspective. I'm going to start with some of these fun little holly leaves as they come on the stem. I'm not going to try to pull them apart or rearrange them. I think they're probably fine the way they are. Just going to add some hot glue. Glue them on. Kind of following the curve of the wreath. Then in the center, I'm going to add one of these paper flowers from the Paper Studio, available at Hobby Lobby. And then I will fill in the couple of bows. I tied 3 bows. I'm going to fold them at the center. Add some glue right there at the center. Probably add one in here, one here, and I'll probably put one right in there. Then to make it look a little bit more Christmassy, here are some options. That's too big. These are nice, but they're too close to the size of the flower. So I'm going to go with these little ones. These are little puffy stickers. Put one here. And one here. And I'm going to call this done. That was so fast and easy. It's really fun to go to the craft store and look at all of the stickers and decorations and Christmas things that are coming out, and to decide what would be fun to decorate your wreaths with.